2024 off-season starts now. First thing we do is we get the body panels off because someone's hard on equipment. I can't say that was good here. We didn't wreck anything. But let's get start stripping some of the body panels off, and I think we're gonna raffle this door, maybe the other one, raffle them off, or I might keep one because it was our best season ever. But definitely this one we're gonna raffle off for charity. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, we're gonna get some of these body panels off and see which ones need to be replaced. I think pretty much most of them. But that's the joys of racing. We went an entire season without having to replace the body panels, so I can't complain. It's been busy, but we kind of took a little bit of a break at the end of the season, and we're back at it, getting ready. We've made some upgrades. We finally have an automatic battery-powered rivet gun. And my God, if you don't have one, buy one. But yeah, we got the body off and putting some new body panels on. Good folks at White Motorsports Inc. Got us hooked up with some body panels next day. So just getting some of those put on, and not too much to do this winter on the race car since we had such a good season. Obviously, we built a brand new car last winter, so just gonna make it pretty again and do a few minor updates, and then we sold our pit cart, so we're gonna build a new pit cart this winter. So those were some of our most popular videos we've ever had. So this winter we're gonna actually go through all the steps. We'll show diagrams, measurements, everything, and we're gonna do the whole shebang and make a whole YouTube winter series out of it. So thank you for clicking on today's upload. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna keep plugging away on putting some body panels on. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Now we're cooking.
Watch your face.
I know. Comment below. Have you ever eaten a Clico? I have. I got new tools.
New toolbox?
Huh?
New toolbox?
Custom ordered. Not really. Limited edition. This is the pit. This is the toolbox we're gonna build into the pit box. It's bigger. It's better. We got a new design for the pit cart. It's gonna be awesome. Might be our next video actually after this one, starting the pit cart. But yeah, this is the toolbox we're gonna build right into the new pit cart. It's gonna be sweet. So
You got some issues.
What issues?
Maybe no issues. We'll see.
You can drill right into your finger on camera. It's gonna be awesome. So anyway,
Content.
I'm glad your finger wasn't there. Thanks, friend. Also, oh, there's nothing better here. Nothing better. I don't think we've shown this in the shop yet either, Frank. So obviously it's been a couple days since we last were working on this vlog, but we're back for like the third night of this vlog. It's just going forever. I don't think we've shown this in the vlog yet. We built a bar in the shop, and it's awesome.
Yeah.
We did this in the middle of summer. We came back to the shop after we won the Dayco race. That race. After we won that race. And we were celebrating hard. And we were like, this sucks. We need a bar. So anyways, the next week we built a bar. And then we blew the motor or something. And then a couple weeks later we won another race. And then we had a bar to celebrate properly. So anyways, yeah. We built the bar. And I can tell you that it was very expensive for what it is. But we did it on as cheap as we could. Like, we got these off of Marketplace. What did we pay? Like $200 for all six?
I think it was like
$140 for all 6 bar stools. There's another one back there. Countertop was from IKEA. We just cut it in half and made a step bar. And then the most expensive part, the lumber obviously was cheap. And then the most expensive part was all this faux barn board because I couldn't find barn board that was cheap enough anyways. But this stuff was like $20 for an 8-foot length per piece. So it added up pretty quick. But got a nice trophy shelf now. We're trying to make this shop perfect. So anyways, thought I'd show that off that we got ourselves a bar. Okay, so this is the first time that we've ever had a grill last an entire season, and we destroyed the nose of the car once last year. You know why? Because it's not a 5-star grill that normally comes with the car. It's a WMI custom-made grill. Oh yeah, baby.
Really stressing me out here.
Alrighty, I think we have enough content here to finally put together our first off-season vlog. It's been 4 or 5 weeks, and it's been 4 or 5 weeks since we put one of these out. So I apologize for the delay. Just busy doing non-race car stuff, and we've kind of accumulated 3 nights of work into one vlog here. So appreciate everybody checking this out, and by the time you see this, we'll have already started working on our brand new pit cart. And we're going to do that all season, all off season long, or however long it takes us to build. So we're going to put together a whole series of vlogs on that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button for us so that you don't miss those videos. I'm really excited about the pit cart build. And hopefully this video was pieced together okay. And we're going to have some more regular content coming back your way now that we've had a nice little break down the season. So appreciate you. And we'll be back here one night soon.